Let's catch a ride to Luis. Hurry, you two! Vamos, vamos!
Okay. Last of the species here.
Move it!
Hey, wait up.
Come on, lovebird! You made it!
I would love to go 5 minutes without almost getting killed. Is that too much to ask?
For a bird who can't fly. Oh, yeah.
You're starting to close off the streets for Carnival. Better be right, kid, because we're running out of time. I'll never be able to get my car through this crowd.
Don't worry, I'm on it.
Hey, kid! How'd you get this bike?
I traded it for your Jeep!
What?
Yeah, it's in great condition!
Whoa!
Well, good condition.